Hi everybody, this is Pat in the paper closet. I'm back today. I'm going to do a quick flip through of the last junk journal that we finished. This was the neutral journal. This is made out of the padded shipping envelope, an Amazon envelope. It has that crunchy feeling, the sound. Now I finished up the front. I found one of my die cuts that I did on my silhouette cameo. It says thinking of you, and I glued that on. I put together one of my charms. It says coffee is a hug in a mug. And let's see, that's the front. The back is very plain. I don't put anything on the back. It would get ruined laying on the table, moving it around. The binding on the spine is just a piece of a grocery paper bag. And we have some seam binding as our closure. We open it up, and this is the paper I lined it with. There's a extra pocket in this pocket that I made on the front in case I need one. The first page is just plain. This is the same as the cover. All these papers I printed myself. Very easy to do. You just find any free backgrounds on the internet. You add some graphics to them and you print them out. Now this page has a pocket with a tag. This page has a side tuck for the journaling card. This paper is a collage that I did on my computer. I also made these labels. Now all the pages, none of them are machine stitched. Any stitching that you see was done on my computer. Just adding stitching lines. Here's a side pocket with a card and a tag. This page just has a label on it that I made. Some paper for journaling. The map page that I had on my computer. Here's a large pocket. I added a heart and a card that says when, where, and what. There's a large tag in here, which I also made on my computer. There's a little corner tuck here and here on this page. Put a little card in there that I found. Oops. Here's also room for journaling. I put a clock on this page. More journaling space. Here's another pocket with a tag. Now this writing area is on the page. It's done on my computer. It's printed on there. Here's another label. Here's some, oops, something fell out. A little corner tuck. Okay. More area for journaling. Here's a pocket. I actually made a large background to put the pocket on. Added a label, some journaling space. This is writing paper in here. Journal on. Here's a small little charm that I made. Now I have a video to make these cardstock charms. They're made out of 5 layers of cardstock. You print 5 copies of your image and you glue them together. It's tied on with a little piece of thread glued to the page. More journaling space. Here's a different type pocket I had made. I just drew the lines on here and cut that out. 2 tags in here. One. I think this one opens up. No, oh no, I have to fix that one. It's not glued enough. And a plain tag, journaling. Here's a upper tuck, a little card in it, says to do. Clean page. There's another label. There's a vellum side pocket. Small label that I made, says you've got this. There's a vellum pocket. I put another pocket over it with a little journaling spot in it. On the back, I made a little corner tuck. Put some journaling paper in there. Some graph paper. I did a little stenciling. Here's a pocket with a altered paper clip. It says hello. You could also tuck something under the hello. It's just a paper clip. It's on your page. Another tag for journaling. It says inspired. More journaling space. And here's the center of our book. On this side I have a small little pocket, a little hidden journaling spot. I put a tab on it that I made. And all the videos from making this book are on my channel. Now this side we have a double pocket made out of a regular business envelope with a large tag that I made. I'll never find the opening on this. Alright, I'll put it back in later on. Here's also some more journaling paper to write on. Opens up. So it's a double pocket. It's made out of a business envelope. There's a label that says love. Live, love, and laugh. This area is printed on my paper. This journaling area. More room for journaling. A label that says together. More journaling. This is the opposite side of the vellum page. I just put a little journaling spot in there. I put this little tiny pocket on here that I made. It says 1 in a million. On the back I put another little pocket with another little piece of paper. This says you are my sunshine. This is burlap paper that I printed on my computer. I put a clock on it. Some more journaling spots. A tag that says memories. More journaling areas. And when I make my junk journals, I make them mainly for journaling, so they have a lot of blank pages. This pocket I made out of the paper that I did on my computer, the collage paper. Here's another journaling tag. A top corner tuck with a tag. Also for journaling on the back. Spots of journaling here. Another page. A side pocket with a tag. Here's a side tuck. I've got a tag in and some journaling paper. Used. Just get any large pieces under here because you can go the full length of the page. It's just a tuck spot. Here's a corner tuck with a tag in it. Here's another pocket. Some room for journaling. I put a clock on that one. The tag says thoughtful. More journaling spots. And that's it. Here's the back. I didn't put a pocket on the back. I didn't want it to get too thick. I hope this gives you inspiration. I don't want you to copy mine, just to give you ideas. Different things you can do. Different type pockets. Side tucks. Such as this. And then think out of the box to make your pockets and your tucks. Like this one. And you could take any page with a design on it. Just cut around the design to make your pocket. So I hope that helps. I have to put this back in. And please, if you like this video, hit the like button. And please subscribe. By subscribing, you'll be notified when the next video is up. The next video, I'm going to be making a new journal. It's going to be called the Blue Plaid Journal. Now, I also have other items I made out of that similar pattern. I'll give you an idea of the pattern. Here are the pockets. There will be an actual pocket on the front cover. It will be a blue plaid journal. It will have very plain pages on the inside. A lot of writing space and some blue graphics. So please come back. You'll be notified when that journal the first video goes up on the cover. The cover on that one I'm going to be making out of the grocery paper bag. Much like I made the blue journal. This is very pliable, very soft. Shapes right to your journal. I like that a lot, so I'm going to do it on a bigger one. It's going to be 9 inches high by 6 inches wide. So please come back, watch for that video, and thank you for coming. Thank you to everyone who has already subscribed. I really appreciate it. So thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.